walk down the streets, I see this person smile at me. She looks so pretty. Her hair falls down perfectly. I ask her, what's her name? She replied, I gave her my name too. We walked by. The next day, I bumped into her again. We grabbed some coffee and had donuts as well. Oh, it was fun while it lasted, but then something bad happened. She was hit by a truck. She was hit by a truck. It was just a 5-day relationship. Oh, she was hit by a truck. It hurts so much, but I knew it would end so fast. Didn't know it would end this bad.